Hello, welcome to another exciting video in our series, how to set up an online store website in 15 minutes or less using a free and powerful open source e-commerce software called Opencart. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create and display banners in our storefront. So let's go to our store backend and log in with our username and password. Okay, then open our storefront in a new tab. Banners are linkable images we display in our storefront to showcase or highlight our offers or important information we want our store visitors to see. Banners are very important in our store because of their attention-grabbing feature. And to display a banner in your store, there are 3 steps involved. First step is to create the banner you want to display depending on where you want to place it in your store. Next step is to create the module that will power the banner using any of the banner modules in Opencart. And the last step is to add the banner to a layout. So to demonstrate how to create a banner in our store, let's go to our store backend. And to create a new banner, you go to Design and click on Banners. Okay, to create a new banner, you click on the Add New button here, then give your banner a name and click on the Add Banner button. Enter the title for the banner and the link you want your visitors to go to when they click on the banner. You enter it here. Okay, for example, you can enter the link to this category page. Okay, let's copy and enter it here. Okay, then we click on the image here, click on edit, then let's create a new folder in our image manager. Let's name it banners. Okay, let's navigate to the folder, then click on the upload button here, locate our image. Okay, select the image here, then enter the sort order, then click on the add banner button, enter the title and enter the link. If you have a link, we don't have a link, you leave it empty and click on the edit button. Click on upload. Okay, and then sort order 2, and we have 2 banners now. We can add other banners as many as we want to add. Okay, and after we click on the save button here. Okay, next we need to create a banner module, so we go to extensions, click on extensions, then from the drop down select modules. Here we have different modules that we can use to display our banner in the storefront. We have the banner module here, then we have the carousel module here, which is another module that we can use to display banner in the storefront. And lastly, we have the slideshow module. The slideshow is responsible for the banner that we display here at the top of the home page. So we click on the add new button here and enter a name for our module and select the banner we just created earlier, then enter the width, which is 1140 by 380 and select enabled, then click on the save button. Okay, then the last step is to go to design and click on layouts. We want to display the slideshow in our home page. We click on the edit button beside the home page layout. Okay, and from the drop down we select the new slideshow module we just created earlier. Okay, and click on the save button to replace this existing slideshow module with the one we just created. So let's refresh the page and see how it displays. Okay, you can see that our new banners are now displayed instead of the old one. So if I click on this will take me to the category page because we linked the banner to this page. Okay, so let's create another banner for our store homepage. So we go to design and click on banners. Okay, let's click on the add new button. Let's name this homepage banners 114 by 100, and then click on the add banner button. This banner 1, and then we'll link it to computers and accessories page. Then click on the image. Let's click on the upload button and select the banner we want to upload. Okay, and sort out that one. After we click on save button here, next we go to extensions and click on extensions. From the drop down, select modules. Then here we will use the banner module to display the banner in our storefront. So I will click on the add new button, then give the banner a name and select the banner we just created earlier. Then enter the width 1140 by 100, select enabled and click on save button. Okay, next we go to design, then click on layouts. Here we want to display the banner in between the featured module and the latest module. So we go to the home page layout and click on edit button. Okay, and here we have the featured module, and this is the latest module. So we are going to replace it with the banner module we just created. So we select the banner, and then right after it we select the latest module, then select the special module, and then of course our bestseller module, and after we click on the save button. So let's go to the storefront and then refresh our home page. Okay, as you can see, the banner is now displayed between the featured catalog module and the latest catalog module. Okay, and if we add another banner to this, the banner will be changing from one banner to the other. So let's go to the back end, go to banners and edit our home page banner. Let's add another banner to the okay, here we added another banner and we click on the save button. Okay, let's refresh the home page and see. Okay, as you can see, the banner is now switching from one banner to the other. Okay, and if I click on the banner, it will take me to the category page we linked the banner to. Okay, this is how to create banner and display it in the storefront using the banner module. So let's go to the backend and demonstrate how to display banner using the carousel module. So here we have the manufacturer's banners. So we click on the edit button here. Here we'll see different brand logos as banners. Here we have the Red Bull, Sony, Coca-Cola and the rest of them. we'll be using this in our demonstration. So we just click the cancel button and go to extensions, click on extensions. From the drop down, we'll select modules, and here we have the carousel module that we can use to display the logos in the storefront. So we already have a homepage instance, so we'll click on the edit button. Here we have the module name and the banner, the manufacturer's banner, and the width and height of the image, and the status set to enable. Okay, so we go to design, click on layouts, and edit the home page layout. We will display the carousel module in the content bottom module position. So we click on add module, then select the carousel module, and after we click on the save button here. Now let's go to our home page and scroll down to the bottom, and here we have our logos displayed using the carousel module. Okay, so this is how to create and display banners in your storefront using different banner modules in our store. In our next video, we are going to demonstrate how to manage your store orders. And if you have gained any value by watching this video, kindly click on the like button below this video, and also subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to know whenever I drop awesome video on my channel. Thank you and peace.